Hey guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to clear your search history inside your Temu app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, open up the Temu app as you normally would. And now from here, what you want to do is click into the search bar here. And now, as you can see, I've got recently searched items. So if I want to delete this, click on the little rubbish bin icon, top right hand corner of your recently searched. And then just simply click on the little cross like that and like that. And now, as you can see, my search history is now clear. If you come here and if you search, click in the search bar, and if there's no recent searches under that, that means your search history has already been deleted or you haven't searched for anything inside Temu. And one thing to note, if I go back, make sure to log into. So you need to make sure to log in to see your search history with that account. So if you're here as a guest, you've got guest history, and then also you got go to your account, and you got your accounts history here too that you can delete.